Good day, everyone. Today, we will present our conceptual entity relationship diagram for the coin slot sales tracking system using microcontroller. The proposed coin slot sales tracking system automates sales monitoring across multiple business units using microcontrollers, enabling real-time, fraud-resistant tracking and efficient branch and unit management for the both owner and branch partner.
So at identified entities, we have the owner entities, branch partner, branch, unit, sales data. And to the identified relationships, we have overseas at branch, owner branch, organizes, organize branch unit, maintains branch partner branch, summarize branch sales data, generates units sales data, views owner sales data, views branch partner sales data.
Okay, so the conceptual ERD and tax representation is the owner oversees the branch, and the branch organizes the units. The branch partner maintains the branch, and the unit generates sales data. So, and the branch summarizes sales data, and the owner views sales data, and the branch partner views the sales data.
Conceptual Entity Relationship Diagram version 1. So ito po yung first conceptual ARD na pinasa namin, which i-correct later ang mga nagiging mali nito. So ito po yung flow niya. So first, the owner manages branch information. So it is where the owner manages one or multiple branches. Next is branch information manages unit information. So it is where a branch manages multiple PisoNet units. Next is unit information includes sales data. So it is where a unit includes sales data which records coin inputs or sales. Next is branch information includes branch partner. So it means that a branch must has a branch partner assigned. Next is branch information generates sales reports. So it is where a branch generates sales reports such as daily, weekly, monthly, or any periods. Next is sales report contains sales data. So it is a where a sales report contains the actual sales data collected from the units. Next is owner views sales report. So it means that the owner can have the access to view the sales report. And lastly, the branch partner views sales report. So likewise, the branch partner also can have the access to view the sales report in a branch where he or she is assigned. So next.
So before, we have used uh, our relationships like include and contains, and then we also have a redundant entity like sales report. So since we don't need it now, the branch directly summarizes the sales data that is generated from a unit. So this means that the sales data is already being summarized by the branch where both the owner and the branch partner can view the summarized sales data. The branch also organizes the unit. So this means that they all manage all the unit as well as it is being maintained by the branch partner. So the thing that we have changed is that we have removed the sales report and directly summarize the sales data from a branch. That's all. Thank you.